In this video, we will show you how to make presentation attractive in PowerPoint. So let's start. Go to Insert and select the text box. Type 10 time dashes here. Select and pick a new font. Go to Format. Go to Text Effect. Click on Transform and select this. Increase the size. Go to Insert. Click on Picture. Select picture and insert it. Click on right button. Cut the picture. Click on right button. Again, go to Format Background. Select Text option. Click on Picture and Texture Fill. Insert picture from clipboard. Select background color using eyedropper. Go to Insert and select the text box. Add the natural word here. Select and change the font. Make your text bold and increase font size. Press Ctrl Shift, take it down. Decrease font size. Remove bold. Add information here. Change the font. Change the color to. Go to Transition and select Drape. Increase duration also. Now click on Slideshow. So see friends, our slide looks great. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.